Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. This is the second video of introduction for vacuum forming topic. Hopefully you get the general idea what is vacuum forming all about from my first video. If you haven't seen it, you can just click on the link that I provide below. Okay guys, you're gonna love this. This time I will show you how the vacuum forming process applied in the correct way. From the machine we have in our faculty, the step and procedure may differ if you see on the other model of vacuum forming machine, because the machine comes in different spec based on the type of forming method. In general way, in using vacuum former, we can apply 6 steps that are load, heat, form, cool, part removal, and the last one, trim. So without further ado, let's enjoy the clip. Alright, this is the vacuum forming we have in our faculty. It comes with compressor. So you have to know where is the power button. And this one is the monitor to see how you control the settings. Now we place the mold on the pattern. This time the mold is made from a fiberglass. Okay, now we place the material on the frame. This time we use HDPE. You can also use acrylic, PTEG, HIPS, or even polycarbonate. So you put down the upper frame to clamp the material and secure it well. And now bring forward the heater hood by pressing the hood switch on the most left part. Okay, for switch, you can see on the video. So now the heating hood is heating up the material, right, until a certain degree. So this manufacturer of this machine proposed to use 186 degree heat of temperature. So you can see the materials look like a crumple look, right? So the material is in the process of heating, right? You can see how the heat. So this one is 186 degree, and now you can see the material is look like translucent and flat because it's thermoset material. And now we bring up the mold. See how the technician uses the switches ensure the vacuuming and the airflow is balanced. Alright, you have to do these steps several times in order to get the perfect form while we are vacuuming. Okay, now the technician bring down the pattern and you have to release the clamp in order to get the form. It's still a little bit warm, not hot. Alright, there you go. You have the form HDPE and your mold. This one is acrylic. Alright, how is it? If the form sheet doesn't come out by itself, even though we have used the automatic airflow on the machine, that's a tip for you. You can actually use high compressed air gun to release it. You just need to target at a certain point it might stuck, and boom, you got it. After that, with the trim parts, you know what you want to do with it in your design model. The advantage of the vacuum forming that you can make your product interesting by adding some details and make it interesting, as I said just now. So you can place some interior settings, electrical components, or even make it function as container. Alright? Alright, in the video you can see how the machine need to be operated by a well-trained technician. However, do you know that you also can do your own vacuum forming using the tool and the material that you have in your house? So please click the link below for you to see how the DIY vacuum forming is not impossible for you to do at home. Until then, see you on the next topic of woodworking. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon.